Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable this PC icon on desktop in Windows 11. If you want to enable this icon, there is one really simple solution to do it, so I recommend you to try this method. So first we need to click right mouse button on icon fast start, and then we need to open settings. And here we need to open personalization settings. It is very important to open this tab, because here we can find the themes, install, create and manage settings. After opening this tab, we need to scroll down, and here we can find on related settings, desktop icon settings. We need to open this option, and here on desktop icons we need to check computer option, because computer option is our this PC icon, yeah? So now remember to check this option too. Allow themes to change desktop icons. It is very important to do it. And now we need to click apply button, and we need to click OK. After that, we can close this window. And how you see this PC icon is available here, so now you can easily open it. So in this way you can easily add this PC icon in your desktop in Windows 11. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.